Record Carousel. Visit the home, the world's tallest
So,
and
as you can
grandest
see,
carousel with over 1
they're
million
now using the Scenic
The Columbia
Railway
Carousel is a Great American staple and perfect
hometown
for kids
station.
and kids at heart.
I'm not
As
sure
we
where we enter, but
one of the New Orleans French corners here. To your left is Super.
here's the Ignite stage.
Fly like the Man of Steel himself on this high-flying roller.
Oh, here's how,
Next to Superman.
looks like they enter in the same way.
The classic bumper car ride through the world's
Up
largest
there.
bumper car floor, spanning over 6,400
So it's pretty much what everyone thought when you entered
Continue your
through the handicapped entrance.
Let the good times
Cool.
roll as Six Flags Great American